Annyeonghaseyo! Okay, opa, Gangnam Style. Yeah. Opa, Gangnam Style. Okay, so they sent me this. Ta-da! Okay, wala na guys. Hello mga Sissy and Beshie, Annyeonghaseyo! Okay, opa, Gangnam Style. Yeah. Opa, Gangnam Style. Okay, Sissy, as you can see sa title natin, mag-unbox tayo! Okay, ito ay galing sa Althea, Korea. Thank you so much, Althea, for giving me this cute stuff again! So, Sissy and Beshie, welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. Siyempre, for today's vlog, mag-haul tayo. Don't forget mga Sissy and Beshie, i-follow ang aking Facebook page at Stephanie Ann. And syempre, may Instagram account at The Real Stephanie Ann. Plus, sa mga bagong Sissy and Beshie ko. Hello, Sissy and Beshie! Dito sa aking YouTube channel. Welcome! I'm Stephanie Ann, yours truly, your Sissy and Beshie friend. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button para ma-notify ka sa mga bago kong vlogs. Tatagalin guys, it's a short haul lang to guys. I think last month ko pa siya na-receive. Sorry because late ko na rin siya na-receive. Nakailang attempt po ang courier or rider dito sa amin. Siguro I think 4 times na tinawagan ko siya talaga kung nasan siya. Okay? So again, thank you kasi si LBC ang nag-ayos po ng aking package. Always, pag hindi ko na-receive yung package talaga directly dito sa house. But yung Althea na nalalagyan na nila, okay? Binuksan ko na. Ayan, yung plastic. Super love ko yung Althea Korea. Why? Because I like the packaging. It's so safe when you buy Althea Korea, lalo dun sa mismong country nila, guys. To be honest, legit Korean products po ang Althea Korea. If you want to buy, just click the link below dito sa description box ko. And I have lots of Althea Korea haul. Okay, may mga makeup tutorial ako, but anything. Okay, so ito yung laman ng ating newly Althea Korea products. So, meron siyang bubble wrap. I love. Pag nag-stress ka, ayan, pwede mo siyang putukin. Okay, let's open. Nakalagay dito, Sissy and Beshie, Althea Angels. Kasi nga, guys, we are Althea Angels. Okay, lahat ng mga latest products ng Althea, pinadadalan po tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Yeah, it's legit. Oh, just a small box. Unlike the other box they give me, medyo bulk or malaki siya dito. Okay, open natin. Tada! Okay, sabi dito, spread your wings with Althea. Welcome to Althea Angels, the Beauty Ambassador Committee. So, they sent me I love facial mask. So, again, we don't have table. So, ibababa ko muna yung ating box. So, they sent me 4 masks. So, isahin natin. Ito, I like it. Watermelon. Just Juicy Baby. Moisturizing watermelon mask sheet from Bloom. Okay? Sissy, ang cute nito. And I really like face mask. Alam mo yun, nakaka-pamper siya every night. Okay? So, it's a moisturizing watermelon mask sheet. Okay? Yun yung unang mask. So, mag-IG story ako na lang guys kung ano yung thoughts ko about dito sa facial mask nila. They sent me Acne Peach Anti-Blemish Peach Mask Sheet from Bloom. Okay? Ang cute ng mga wordings nila, mga Sissy, diba? Tapos, what I like about the face mask, yung packaging nila, it's so emoticon. Alam mo yun? Parang, basta, I like Korean products. And it's super cute. Meron din naman silang description at the back. But, they have an English, English title. Subtitle ng movie. One, Sparkle Me Bright. So, syempre, bright, yellow. Sparkling bright, brightening lemon lime mask. So, ito yung mga gusto nyo mag-brighten up yung inyong mga skin. Syempre, kung medyo tiring day ka all day sa office, or kung ano man yung ginagawa mo sa buhay. So, you need to pamper your face using Sparkle Me Bright. Okay. It's a whitening effect pala. pH balance whitening effect. So, dito sa dalawa, yung watermelon, it's a pH balance lang. Tapos, same as anti-blemish pH balance. Okay. Pero for the lemon lime mask sheet, it's a pH balance whitening effect. Okay. Facial mask, we have Nourishing Avocado Mask Sheet. I like avocado, guys. It's really healthy on my body. Okay, it's a pH balancing wrinkle improvement effect. So, guys, ito siya. It's avocado me. Oh, so cute. I love it. I love it. So, Nourishing Avocado Mask Sheet. Diba? So, abangan na lang sa aking IG stories and Facebook stories. He sent me this. Tadan! Okay, wala na, guys. So, tadan! Nandito siya. So, isa-isahin natin mga Sissy and Beshie. Ito yung cutie-cutie na macaroons. I think macaroons yun eh. Okay. Tadan! Wow! I love it! This is Giant Merengue Puff. Hindi pala siya macaroons. Giant Merengue Puff. I don't know if you see. So, Sissy, ito yung sponge or beauty sponge yung pwede mo siyang gamitin all over your face. Like, when you want to put some foundation, or yung, let's say, liquid foundation. What else? Liquid contour. Ayan, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Pero for me, I'm gonna be using this merengue or giant merengue puff for my foundation applicator. So, I love it! Syempre, if you have a giant, meron din tayo mga babies. Okay, let's open. Tadaan! This is the baby merengue puff. So, they sent me 3 cutie patootie merengue puff. Okay, I love. Para talaga siyang candy, guys. And what I like about it, what I like about for this merengue sponge is, ang cute yung packaging, guys. Alam mo yun, parang ayaw mo siyang gamitin and you want to, alam mo yun, parang stay na lang on your vanity. Diba? Para makita mo lang siya. Okay? I like the color and I like the shape because they have edge or mga parang pointed dun sa dulo. So, you can see naman dyan, guys. I really love. So, I got little 3 merengue here and also 1 giant merengue puff. So, BHA Natural Blackhead Bluster. So, Sissy and Beshie, I'll try once nito. Makati yung ilong ko dito and then I put some blackhead bluster. Ito yung packaging niya, guys. It's so matte. I like the drawing. I like the packaging, guys. So, ayun yung likod niya. Diba? Sabi dito, it's natural BHA, charcoal, apricot seed powder, and tea tree leaf oil. So, sabi, blast away corruption. Diba? Ang cute. Ewan ko makita nyo, guys, yung okay. Sissy, ito. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung picture. So, yan yung ang cute, diba? Ayan, may direction naman siya. Okay, ganyan siya. Para siyang, alam mo yung blush on or yung roll on. Super safe, guys, Tapos, open natin. Tanggalin natin yung white. So, yun yung kulay niya. Para talaga siyang charcoal. And then, nung nag-apply ako nito sa nose, guys, medyo, mabasa-basa, mamasa-masa, or napaka, slippery when wet. Yun, basta pag ginanon mo siya sa nose mo, magiging itim. So, tendency, sabi nga nila, once you apply for your nose, i-wipe mo siya ng tissue kasi sumasama yung mga residue doon sa, let's say, sa face mo, kung pawis man yan or anything. So, para maanuhan natin yung ating, hindi siya matransfer ng bacteria dito or maipon dito. So, yun, after no, nag-antay lang ako siguro mga 3 minutes bago ko siya i-wipe off. And Sissy and Beshie, alam yun, parang feeling mo, yes, parang at first, yung makuha ba yung blackheads or anything, parang malilesen lang siya or hindi siya hindi siya babaon dun sa mismong part kung nasa ng inyong blackheads. So, that's why I like this kasi, alam mo yun, nalilesen yung mga whiteheads ko. I don't have blackheads, guys. I have whiteheads, mostly sa nose. So, yun, thank you so much, Althea, Korea. And don't forget, syempre, guys, na bisitahin ang kanilang website at www.altheakorea.com. So, I will put the link dito sa baba ng description box. And I hope, guys, nagustuhan nyo ang aking unboxing ng Althea, Korea. Ito yung mga latest, item sa A-Bloom ng Althea, Korea. So again, Sissy and Beshie, thank you for watching. See you again on my next vlog. God bless everyone. Love, love, love. See ya. Oppa Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style. 안녕하세요.